Hi, this is John Davin, the Web Tools Guy, and today I just wanted to show you a phenomenal program that I found for finding helpful information, and it's called zdocs.net, zdocs.net. And for example, I want to talk about how to build a computer. So let's go how to build a computer. Sorry about my typing there. So if we type in how to build a computer, we're going to come up with dozens and dozens of PDF files. Now we'll also find some PowerPoint presentations or just standard Word documents, text files, the whole bit. But let's go ahead and focus today just on PDF documents. And as I say, there are dozens and dozens of manuals on how to build a computer. But let's just take a look at the first two, okay? Here is a book from 2008, so it's a few years old. I know that, but there are other books that aren't old. But let's go ahead and click on how to build a computer, and it's from Build Your Own Computer. Well, you'll have to look at the URL there, but look at this. This is a phenomenal book on how to build a computer. You got a table of contents, sound cards, drivers, troubleshooting, what if you have beeps that pop up, what that means. So here you have a nice checklist where you're talking about you have to choose a computer case, a power supply, motherboard, CPU, memory, and it even goes through the initial decisions on what kind of computer you want to buy. So we'll go to the next page, and again, installing hard drives. This is from the menu. And then you talk about the initial decisions and what kind of computer it is that you want to buy. If you're a gamer, if you're a small business owner, if you do a lot of video editing, lots of great questions for you to be thinking about. So we'll keep going. There are 111 pages in this manual on how to build a computer. Now that's just one of the manuals. I'm going to flip through a few more pages to show you the tools that you'll need and preparing the computer case. But is that phenomenal or what? So let's go backwards though at the zdocs.net website, and we're going to grab another book, How to Build a Computer. And you will see another book from the Wikibooks website, and it's 52 pages this time, and it talks about initially how to build a computer from a standpoint of saving money. And you have to choose the parts. It says right here, choose the parts, the core components, the secondary components, for peripherals, the motherboards, CPU, RAM, the whole bit. So let's just flip through a few pages here, and it's going to be talking about what operating system you want to use and what processors are out there, and then you're going to be talking about all kinds of things. Again, what type of computer are you going to be using for your office, a gaming computer, etc., and what kind of video card you want to use. And so here we're talking about the computer case, okay? Now, what I'm telling you is that what you want to do is go out and find 3 or 4 of these and find out which one seems to be the best book for you. So here's a third one, How to Build a Computer. And I'm telling you, this is just great. This is all free stuff. So this one's 48 pages. And here's your table of contents talking about RAM and hard drives and CPUs, etc., etc., etc. And they all start out with the basic information. What do you want to do with your computer? That's very important. Now this one also, I'm going to go back one step, talks about how familiar are you with physical computer components? How knowledgeable are you with the different operating systems? Where will you build your computer? What tools do you need? It's really asking you, hey, is this a good option for you? So then it does have a list of all the tools you need, and there's an example of a toolkit again. And then here are all the different components. I mean, these are just phenomenal resources. And again, you can find them at zdocs.net. Well, this is John Davin, the Web Tools Guy. We'll bring you to my website so you can take a look around a little bit, and I'll just keep on bringing phenomenal information to you about how